Over 60? 5 movements Japanese elders do every morning. 90,000 Japanese people are living past 100 right now, and here is the strange part. Most of them can still sit cross-legged on the floor, climb stairs without holding the railing, and get out of bed without groaning in pain. Meanwhile, in other countries, people in their 60s and 70s are already using canes, taking pain medication daily and afraid to move because everything hurts. What is the difference? It is not genetics. It is not expensive treatments. Japanese elders practice 5 specific morning exercises for seniors over 60 with joint pain that take just 10 minutes. And these movements are so effective that doctors now call them micro-rituals of longevity. No gym membership required, no special equipment needed. Today, you are going to learn all 5, including the one movement that doctors say is a stronger predictor of how long you will live than your cholesterol levels. Before we start, drop your age and location in the comments below. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear today. Now, the first movement might surprise you because it comes from an ancient samurai tradition that scientists just recently discovered. Rebuilds knee strength by 26% in only 3 months. Exercise number 5, Rei-ho, the samurai squat. In Japanese, Rei-ho means proper form or etiquette, and this movement comes directly from ancient samurai training. Here's what makes it special. Rei-ho uses slow, controlled squats that rebuild knee strength for seniors without putting dangerous pressure on your joints or heart. Unlike regular squats where you lean forward, Rei-ho requires keeping your spine completely straight and upright, just like the samurai did centuries ago. Doctors at Tohoku University tested this movement on 34 adults and discovered something remarkable. After just 3 months of practice, 5 minutes a day, 4 days per week, participants increased their knee strength by 26%. The control group who did not practice Rei-ho, they only improved by 2.5%. That is a massive difference, and it happened without any gym equipment or heavy weights. Why does this matter so much for you? Weak knees are the #1 reason seniors lose their independence. Falls are the second leading cause of accidental death worldwide for people over 60. And most falls happen because the knees simply give out. When your knee strength improves by 26%, suddenly stairs become easier. Getting up from a chair feels effortless, and that constant fear of falling starts to disappear. Strong knees mean you stay independent. You keep doing the activities you love, and you stop worrying every time you need to walk somewhere. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, near a wall or counter for support if you need it. Keep your back completely straight and upright. Do not lean forward. Slowly lower your body as if sitting on an invisible chair, then rise back up with control. Do 10 to 12 repetitions. Next, practice the sit-to-stand version. Sit in a sturdy chair. Stand up slowly with perfect posture, then lower back down. 10 repetitions. The entire routine takes 5 minutes. For centuries, Japanese daily life naturally strengthened legs through sitting on the floor and traditional movements. When modern furniture replaced these habits, the Japanese formalized Rei-ho to preserve this essential strength training for future generations. Exercise number 4, Senobi, the 1-minute stretch. In Japanese, Senobi means stretching or reaching up. And this ancient technique combines deep breathing with upward body extension. It takes exactly 60 seconds, but delivers changes you can feel immediately. Doctors at Aoyama Clinic tested this breathing exercise for elderly patients and found something fascinating. After practicing Senobi just 1 minute, 3 times daily for 1 month, participants showed significant improvements in their energy levels. Their nervous system activity increased from 33% to 54%, which means their bodies started burning energy more efficiently again. The control group who skipped this practice saw no changes at all. Now here's the powerful part. As we age, our nervous system often becomes sluggish, leading to constant fatigue, low mood, and that feeling of being tired no matter how much we rest. Senobi specifically reactivates your body's natural energy production. Patients reported feeling more alert, sleeping better at night, and having the stamina to do daily activities without exhaustion. People with breathing difficulties noticed they could take deeper breaths and felt less shortness of breath. The stress hormone reduction alone makes this worth practicing, because chronic stress accelerates aging and weakens your immune system. Here is how to perform Senobi correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Extend both arms upward overhead with palms separate. Bend your neck and upper body slightly backward to gaze at the ceiling, but do this gently, no strain. Inhale deeply through your nose for 5 seconds, then exhale fully for 5 seconds. Repeat 3 times, that is 30 seconds. Lower your arms, then raise them again, and interlace your fingers, turning your palms to face the ceiling. Same breathing for another 30 seconds. Total time, 1 minute. Practice 3 times daily before meals. This was a regular morning habit in ancient Japan. But now, the next movement is where things get really interesting because it directly targets the #1 cause of injury in seniors. Exercise number 3, Shiko Dachi. 1 in 3 people over 65 falls every year. Half of those falls happen during simple movements like turning around, standing up, or reaching for something. The scary part? Most people think their legs are the problem. They are wrong. The real issue is hidden deep in your hips. Small stabilizer muscles that you cannot see or feel are slowly shutting down. When you step on uneven ground or turn too quickly, these muscles should catch you instantly. But if they are asleep, you stumble, you fall, you break something. Before every match, sumo wrestlers drop into a wide-legged position and stomp the ground. Looks like a ceremony, right? Wrong. That stance is secretly building the exact stabilizer muscles that keep elderly people on their feet. Doctors at Tokyo University tested this on seniors and found something incredible. 40% improvement in hip stability exercises after consistent practice. The fall risk dropped so much that nursing homes started teaching this instead of putting people on treadmills. Why? Because treadmills only work the big muscles you already use. Shiko Dachi wakes up the small ones that actually prevent falls. All right, here's what you do. Grab onto a wall or kitchen counter for balance. Put your feet wider than your shoulders, toes pointing out a bit. Then lower yourself down slowly, like you are sitting in an invisible chair. Keep your back straight though, chest up. Stay there for 30 seconds. Yeah, your legs are gonna burn, but that's a good thing. Now, if your knees hurt at all, just do not go down so far, okay? After 30 seconds, stand back up nice and slow. Do that 2 or 3 times, and you are done. That burning feeling in your legs, those are stabilizer muscles turning back on. The same muscles that will catch you the next time you trip on a rug or miss a step. Practice this every day, even just 30 seconds, and suddenly walking feels solid again. Stairs stop being scary. You stop grabbing walls and railings everywhere you go. Quick question. Can you stand on 1 foot for 10 seconds without wobbling? If not, pay close attention to what comes next. Exercise number 2, Neko Ashi Dachi. Stand up right now and try this. Lift 1 foot off the ground, just an inch. How long can you hold it without wobbling? If you lasted less than 10 seconds, your reflexes are slowing down. That wobble is your body forgetting how to catch itself. Neko Ashi Dachi, the cat's paw stance. Watch a cat before it pounces. One paw lifts, barely touching the ground, weight shifted back, ready to move instantly. That tiny movement trains reflexes that keep you upright when life gets unpredictable. Researchers at Seikaoshu University studied this with seniors and discovered something remarkable. After just 6 weeks of practice, 20 seconds per side daily, fall risk dropped by 55%. That is more than half of all potential falls prevented by a movement that takes less than a minute. This finding changed how nursing homes approach balance training for elderly residents. Here is why this works. When you start to trip, you have less than half a second to catch yourself. Most seniors freeze in that moment because their bodies stop training for sudden movements. Everything they do is slow and predictable, walking the same path, sitting in the same chair. This stance wakes up the reflexes you need when something unexpected happens. A slippery floor, a curb you did not see, a rug that slides, those split-second saves that keep you on your feet. Let me walk you through it. Stand near a wall or counter for support if needed. Step 1 foot forward lightly so only your toes touch the floor, barely any weight on it. Most of your weight stays on your back leg. Keep both knees slightly soft, not locked. Spine stays tall. Hold this for 20 seconds. Switch sides, 20 seconds on the other foot. Once you get comfortable, add small challenges. Turn your head slowly left and right while holding the stance. Raise your arms out to the sides. These force your stabilizer muscles to work harder. Practice this while brushing your teeth or waiting for coffee to brew. Those small moments add up. Now we are almost at the number 1 movement, and this one might literally add years to your life. Exercise number 1, Tenugui Twist. Doctors in Japan track something most Western doctors ignore. Your spine age. Not how old you are, but how old your spine acts. Someone can be 70 with a 50-year-old spine or 50 with an 80-year-old spine. The difference? People with younger, more flexible spines live 8 to 10 years longer than people with stiff ones, even if everything else about their health is identical. Tenugui Twist, the towel reset. Japanese doctors have a saying, the day you stop twisting is the day your spine starts aging. This movement uses nothing but a simple towel and 2 minutes of your time. But what it does for your body is extraordinary. Scientists at Nagoya University and Kyoto University studied seniors who practiced this daily and found something nobody expected. After just 4 weeks, grip strength improved significantly, spinal mobility increased, and coordination got better. But here's the part that shocked researchers. Grip strength turned out to be one of the clearest predictors of how long someone will live. Stronger grip means stronger core, better circulation, healthier organs. Everything connects back to spine health for seniors. The twist works deep muscles around your vertebrae that most movements never touch. These muscles protect your spine, support your posture, and keep your entire body aligned. Seniors who train these muscles just 5 minutes daily had 60% fewer lower back injuries and reported better sleep and digestion within 30 days. That is real-life improvement from something that costs nothing. Grab a towel, any towel. Hold it at shoulder height with both hands about shoulder width apart. Pull outward gently to create tension in the towel, like you're trying to stretch it. Now twist slowly to the right, keeping your hips facing forward, back to center. Twist to the left, back to center. That is 1 round. Do this for 2 minutes, morning and night. Keep pulling that towel outward the entire time so there's constant tension. Your core will feel it immediately. Those deep stabilizer muscles turning on, protecting your spine, straightening your posture. Keep that towel nearby because this simple movement might become the most important 2 minutes of your day. You do not need to do all 5 movements at once. That is too much pressure, and you will quit before the end of the week. Instead, build your daily routine for senior health like this. Start your morning with Senobi, the 1-minute stretch right after you wake up, even before breakfast. Just 60 seconds to wake up your body and get your energy moving. That is it for morning. Afternoon, pick one, either Rei-ho, the samurai squat, or Shiko Dachi, the sumo stance. Do not do both, just choose whichever one feels better for your body that day. 5 minutes, done. Evening, before bed, practice Neko Ashi Dachi for balance, 20 seconds each side, then finish with the Tenugui Twist for 2 minutes. Total time for everything? 10 to 15 minutes, spread across your entire day. If you have limited mobility or balance issues, do everything while holding onto a counter or sitting in a sturdy chair. The movements still work. Start with just one movement this week. Add another next week. This is not a race. Doing one movement consistently beats doing all 5 once and never again. Show up every day, even if it is just for 60 seconds. That consistency is what changes everything. Disclaimers: this is educational content, not medical advice. If you have any health issues, knee problems, back pain, check with your doctor first. Listen to your body. If something hurts, stop immediately. Pain is not progress. These movements should feel challenging but never painful. Every exercise can be modified to match your fitness level, so start slow and adjust as needed. There you have it. 5 movements, 10 minutes a day, no gym required. Rei-ho for knee strength, Senobi for energy, Shiko Dachi for stability, Neko Ashi Dachi for reflexes, and Tenugui Twist for spine health. Small effort, massive results. If this helped you, hit that like button so more people can find it. Drop a comment right now and tell me which movement you are starting with today. I read every single one. And if you want more content on aging gracefully with movement and staying independent as you get older, subscribe to this channel. Remember, you do not stop moving because you get old. You get old because you stop moving. Start today, stay consistent, and watch how your body responds. See you in the next one.